Hey guys, so I get a lot of questions about my skin and how I maintain my skin. So I'm going to show you today one of my favorite masks to do for your face to keep it nice and plump, acne free, and radiant. So here we go. Okay, so you're only going to need 3 products. You're going to need organic hemp powder, organic coconut oil, and extra virgin olive oil. So my hemp powder, I actually get it from Whole Foods or Amazon.com. My olive oil I get from a Mediterranean store, and my coconut oil I obviously get from Trader Joe's. Alright, so you're going to need about a tablespoon of hemp powder, then a tablespoon of coconut oil, then about half a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Then mix everything together, and this is what it'll look like when it's nice and mixed. Some of the benefits of using hemp on your skin is the fact that it's suitable for all skin types, balances oily skin, it provides long-lasting moisture, it plumps tired and dry skin, and for some it reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Coconut oil is my holy grail because it is a natural antibacterial and antifungal. It contains mostly lauric acid, which is your antibacterial, so if you have acne-prone skin, this is a great oil for you. Don't be scared of it because sometimes people purge once they start using it. It's just getting all the gunk out of your skin. Extra virgin olive oil is great for the skin because it helps prevent premature signs of aging on the skin because it contains a lot of antioxidants. It also contains a lot of vitamins like A, D, E, and K, and it's also a mild antibacterial and has great moisturizing effects. When your mixture is done, it'll look something like this. And you want to make sure your hands are nice and clean, and I'm just going to take that and apply it all over my face. Now you can go in circular motions because this is a mild exfoliator. So you want to do this on already cleansed skin, and definitely concentrate on any areas where you have wrinkles or acne or where you feel that your skin looks a little bit dull. I like to do this mask on dry skin and not wet skin just so I can exfoliate any dead skin that's on my face. Major key alert. Alright, and then I'm just going to leave this on for about 10 to 15 minutes and I shall be back. Alright, so I'm back. It's been about 10 minutes. I'm just going to wipe off this mask. I'm using a damp paper towel because your girl needs to wash washcloths. And you're just going to gently wipe this off your face. Much easier just to go rinse your face. And when you rinse your face, make sure you're rinsing it with cold water to close your pores again. While your face is still damp, you're going to take a dime-sized amount of coconut oil and use that to moisturize your face. And that's it, my friends. As you can see, my skin looks nice and radiant, plump, and very hydrated. And I promise that after one use, you will definitely see a difference in your skin. I'll definitely have more DIY masks coming up for good skincare and affordable skincare as well. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like usual, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at iamLindaElaine, Snapchat at JamexicanBeauty. I'll see you later. Deuces.